Hey there.
Okay. So yesterday I started working on the mounts, and just even though it's cooler and we got some wind and stuff going on now, the sun is still blazing hot when you're in it. So the camera overheated. So you didn't get pretty much anything that I started recording, for good or bad, because at one point I was tucked under here cutting off the mount to be able to mount the rear bumper, and I pulled the grinder away, and to get it clear of the metal, ended up hitting the power cord for the grinder. Did not cut through it enough to ground the whole thing out so that it tripped the breaker at the exact same moment that Nicole came outside to grab a drink out of the fridge.
And he was up against the metal right there, and he was shaking like a worm.
Yeah, just I don't know
He
what
was
it
twitching.
was. Solid 30 seconds
Woo,
worth of
that was scary.
grounding out into the frame of the truck. So that was a good time. I kind of wrapped it up a little bit after that. So I've been having trouble trying to do it by myself, going through and trying to get this thing square. So Nicole's going to help me today. We're going to take measurements and lift and move everything and get it set, and then try and get some of these mounts. I've been trying to do one mount and then get the others, and it's still just like, I don't know if the frame veers off at a point in the rear or if it's totally straight. So today we are going to solve that. Okay, I see from here that we slid forward, so we need to scoot it back. So I don't know if you can help push. It's up on a jack.
There's no way. Come on. I can't move this.
Step out of the way so you don't get caught in anything. Pull. Ready? Clear?
Uh-huh. Oh, there goes your jack. Don't let it hit our car.
Okay. That puts that in the realm. Oh, I didn't loosen this one all the way up. Oh, because it still needs to go back. Can you hand me the drill and the wrench that are over there? The outside still needs to come back. All right, let's do side to side here. So from the frame to the outside of the box.
Right here?
Yeah, from right here. Yep. You kind of do it up at an angle to the, nope, down to the frame.
Like that?
Yeah, like see mine?
Yeah.
Just like that.
It is right at 5.
5.5-ish.
No, 5 and 1/8.
Okay, I got 8, so we're 1.5 inches at least your way. You clear?
Yeah. Now I'm at 6.5.
6.5.
Uh-huh.
I am almost 6.5. We're within a 16th there.
Yeah.
Let's come back to the back. Shit, we need to come back. We are crooked. All right. So from the bit of the frame.
From what?
The bit of the frame right there.
From this side of it?
Yep.
Okay.
To the end of the bed. 17 1/4.
I have 15 and an 8. Now I have 16 and
like 16 1/4 ish.
I'm right at 16 1/4.
Okay. This needs to come back. I don't know why they're offset.
Now that's
see how the bumper is like 3 2 3/4.
Yeah. Isn't that going to mess that up there?
Well, not unless I.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
I think I got to drill some holes. Ooh, nope, there's a hole there. Okay.
Get it anchored.
Huh?
Gonna get it anchored so it doesn't wiggle around.
Yeah, this will anchor here. And I think I need to drill that hole. And I think I need to move that over because I think that one was too far in, and that's what was throwing the whole thing off when it was pivoting around, you know?
Okay.
So I think we're good. We're not up on the lift. So we're just lifted up in the front a little bit. So we should be good there. I'll get those 2 bolts in, tighten, cinch those down, and then I can weld and move that, or weld this one in and then move that one.
Okay.
That should finish that off.
Wonderful.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go see what's going on with the dinner.
Okay. That guy mounted. That guy mounted. The bumper is like a 1/4 inch narrower on this side. So I will have to adjust it through the bumper and just move that back when I build the bracket. Everything else seems pretty square, but it does move in that way. Coming around, that guy is bolted and ready to go, but the welds broke from when I tacked it up. And what I'm going to do right now is that guy right there, I am going to cut off and move outboard a little bit. I think that was the one that was holding me up and causing all these measurements to be off side to side. So that's what I'm doing right now. And when you start welding, make sure you got a nice pile of leaves underneath it. Remind me about that joke. If everything catches on fire, all right, well, I have some extremely ugly welds, but those 2 are in, bolted down. The bed is officially bolted in. Since I had the Sawzall over here, I went through and trimmed this edge up because it was real jagged from getting cut off like all the rest of this is. So we'll be able to get the barrel in here a little bit nicer, but that's solid. Good end of this one. All right, a little bit of light electrocution. Overheated welder, probably welding heavier stuff than I should be with it, but take that off. And this bed is solid. There's no shocks in here, so it's going to bounce like crazy, but that makes me happy. Now we can start to work on the rear end, get the cab mounted, I'm going to leave the front end loose so we can pull that off, do the motor stuff easier, and then bolt that up. I need to acquire a radiator, stuff like that. But big spot right here. Look at this.
Whoa.
Totally mounted down, totally welded, totally good to go. So
And you didn't shock yourself.
I didn't kill myself, shock myself, electrocute myself, cut myself.
I'm inside cooking dinner trying to...
Anything. So next thing on the line for you is to learn how to do a axle flip kit.
Ooh.
So we're going to raise those wheels like 8 inches up into the air. So
well, I know how to take the bolts off, so that should be fun.
We'll walk you through it. It'll be a good time.
Yeah.
So that's going to be what's next with this girl, but
Those
I'm
are
happy.
fun. That looks good, honey.
Yeah, it's it. That's where it's going.
It looks solid and straight.
Yep.
Wow.
So until next time, like, subscribe, comment, follow.
Yeah. Wow.
Start carving some tikis for the gap.
Woo! I know where there's some wood.